Chef Justin Timoneri here with Fresh from Florida, coming at you from my home in the capital city. Today we want to talk a little bit about Florida peaches. Florida peaches are in season right now and they are so delicious. If you haven't gotten a chance to try them, I encourage you to really get out there when you can in your grocery store and look for the Fresh from Florida seal and find those Florida peaches. They are delicious. Today we got a couple recipes that we're working with here. I have my pecan crusted pork chop with a little bit of arugula salad, and I've made a wonderful little peach chutney here. Just sauteed a little peaches, a little bit of onion, some Dijon. It smells delicious and it's going to go perfect with this pork chop. We've also got a little bit of peaches and cream that we're going to do here. This is a little bit of pound cake. I've taken a wonderful slice of peach and drizzled it with a little natural Florida sugar and hit it with my flaming torch a little bit to give it a little burnt and caramelization on there and bring those flavors out, which is just delicious. A little bit of sugar in there. Beautiful thing. If you could do the whipped cream, just slides right off there to make a wonderful version of peaches and cream. That looks delicious. We've got one more peach surprise for you back there. So why don't you come around and we're gonna make some peaches Foster. So we've made our pork chop that's been pecan crusted with some peach chutney. It's just delicious. We've got our peaches flambe Foster. It smells incredible. And a little bit of peaches and cream with some pound cake and some charred and caramelized Florida peach. I bought all these Florida peaches at my local grocery. Not only that, but blueberries, sweet corn, and tomatoes. There's so many things from Florida right now that are healthy, safe, and delicious. So please, when you're at that grocery store, make sure to look for the Fresh from Florida seal and stay healthy.